I'm on the beach. I went down to the beach for like warming up. Look at the sea. Here we are, Dad. Sea, waves. It's quite hard to see. It's quite safe. Better than Britain's sea. It's blue. It's still going to be cold though. They've been like smoothed. They're like smooth from like the sea. Like look at this one. It's smooth from the sea. What? I think this is driftwood. Yay! So cool. Oh, look at this one. That one's really cool. I'm taking this one back. There's for ages. This is amazing. Yeah, look at this one. Oh, this one's quite big. Oh, I want that one. Oh, there's water coming towards me. There's a water box there. Like, just look. That's another smooth rock there. Yeah, look at this one. This one's quite cool. I'm taking this one. Oh, look at this. Whoa, look at this one. I'm taking this one as well.
Oh, like all mountains.
Yeah. Like that one. Like that one. It's enormous. The good name for the sea, the big blue wet thing. That one's got like stripe in it. That one's also really cool. Take this one. Let's have a look. There's some more. Look how small these are. This is so small. That's cool. Take this. Looks like it might be like a shard or something. Quite a lot of smooth ones. Oh, look at this one. This one's a little wet. Looks like I can't skim stones. I'm quite bad at that. So many different stones. Oh, I like this one. I'm taking this one with me as well. I'm definitely going to need to clean my pockets. They're going to be covered in sand.
Green one.
It's green, my favourite colour. I like green. I'll take this one as well. There's some big and some are small. Ooh, what's this? Looks like someone tried to make a castle but it got destroyed. lots of rocks. Oh, look! And this one. I think. Alright. Guys, try it. Okay. Oh, look! It's a park. I want to go on top of there. Let's go. Whoa, still hard to run across the sand, especially with a big pocket full of rocks. Oh, quite a bit. You know, I guess that's just this blood. Wow, I'm so high. Look at this park. It looks really fun. Still got any of that. What are those for? Maybe something to see. Oh, there's another park over there. That's 3 parks are spotted at this resort. Guys, just give me 1 moment to put these back. Let's go check out the park, guys. I'll see you over there. Alright, I'm back. I just took my shoes off. So I wanted to take them off because they're like covered in sand, and also I didn't want to carry them, so I had to go give them to my mum. Well, look at this place. It's pretty cool. Let's get up there first. It seems like this is the way up. Slide. Oh look, there's lots of crosses. That's cool. Let's go check this place out. Look. Slide's looking a bit sandy. I think we're gonna go down that one. Let's go, guys. Look at this. That's cool. Let's go here. Not the other way. Guys, look. Look at here. Look at this place. That's cool. Yeah, well, it sucks climbing rocks. I'm gonna jump down. Guys, whoa!
It's just like so there's some pit on your feet. This is good now.
Yeah, kind of.
Is it recording the whole time?
Yeah.
Oh man, that's a big video, man.
Yeah, this is part 4. Oh, there's some swings here. It looks a bit wet. Let's not talk about how these got wet. Probably the rain.
It's still recording.
Now where should we go next? Sometime later. Alright guys. My dad has decided that we're going to throw rocks into the water.
Both hands right, don't you?
Can you hold the camera? I don't think this is going to work! Oh no!
Oh my god, that's cold.
It's not going to work! I need it! Ah, I'm just going to throw it!
I think it's too choppy, I think.
Yeah.
I think you can't get used to them.
Yep, seems like the sea ordered smooth, round rocks for, seems like he ordered that. It's just that that's quite choppy. I don't think this is working. I'm gonna go. Alright guys, this sea is very choppy. I'll see you later. A little while later. Oh no! That looks very bad. Ah! It's very cold. My feet are like ingrained.
So cold.
What the experience! Oh, that looks very crazy. There's pebbles in between my toes. What the heck? It's cold. This is crazy. Oh, my head is so windy. My hair's even blowing out my way. This is insane. Like, look at the waves. It's literally a mini pool of water. Oh, that's desperate. Wow. That was very cold. Oh yeah, it was this one. That one. Look at the weird shape this one's folded. It's so strange. I'm gonna put that in the bucket. I'm taking this. So guys, I got something to show you. Landslide. There's 2 landslides. Oh yeah, it was over there. Guys, do you see that? It's like a metal pole. It's so strange. I don't want to touch it because I think rust is like... Hey look, we found another pine cone. Let's go take it to the other pine cone. Oh yeah, the other pine cone's down here, guys. Look, we got a friend. Yay! Wow! Landslide. easy. It's more calm here. The sea is very, very choppy. I think I'm gonna see you guys at the hotel room, or maybe in a bit, not sure. So, yeah, I forgot to record myself later or in the hotel room, so I think I just chilled for the rest of the day. Yeah, this one was a bit longer, so I guess that's good. It was a 2-minute or 4-minute video. It's not good. Also, I don't know why part 3 turned into a short. I think it's something to do with like the camera angle or how short it was or something. But the intro video didn't. I don't know. There's a link on it in the description that takes you to the actual video. It's not a short. So please use that if you want it to be better. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed. I think I enjoyed making this series. I'm over these like 3 days that I'm actually posting these. I'm trying to get them done. I know it's like way overdue, but I'm going to make a New Leaf Animal Crossing New Leaf series. Well, not for every day, but like tips and stuff and like the start, because it's not a game on the 3DS. I'm not sure how I'm going to record it though. So, I'll figure that out. So yeah, I think other than that, see ya, hope you enjoyed, and stay around for part 6, 7, 8, and the bonus one. Oh wait, no wait, 8 is the bonus one. Silly me. Alright, bye guys!